What's up, you guys? It is Jericho. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a super clean makeup look. Ooh, I hate this. My bra strap is falling. We are doing a clean makeup look. I have seen this trend going on YouTube for a minute, and I was kind of doing my makeup in this clean natural look, not even realizing that is what people were doing on YouTube, because I've kind of been MIA here on my channel due to becoming a new mother. So I really haven't had the time, and I've been trying to figure out routines and things of that nature. So when I did my makeup the other day, this is what I did, because I'm like, I really don't have time to go all out and do the most. So I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and refilm this look so that I can do this clean makeup look trend. So this is how it came out, and it is looking super bomb, super glowy, and I could literally do this makeup in 10 minutes, y'all, like literally 10 minutes if I would need to go somewhere, which now that I'm a mother, everything is done in a hurry, including filming this video. So everything that I'm going to use in this video will be linked down below in the description bar. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, even if you are a subscriber, because for some reason, my subscribers are not being notified of when I upload. So make sure you hit the bell so that you can be notified. We're trying to get this situation rectified because my channel needs to grow in 2022. Okay, we've been stagnant for way too long, and that needs to change in the name of Jesus. So anyway, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So today we are doing a clean girl makeup look. I haven't seen this trend all over the tube, so I decided that I would try and go ahead and do it, even though it's really simple to do. It's really simple. You just basically doing your makeup routine without lashes, but you're making it really nice and glowy looking and not super cakey and with super strong contours and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try because I basically already did it in my last video. So I'm like, why not try and do it again? So I'm starting with a clean face, which I never really do on the tube. I always at least have my eyebrows done. But I decided that I would do my eyebrows on camera, which is probably a mistake. I'm probably going to regret this because it always takes me a while to do this. And I'm kind of in a hurry because I'm trying to get this done before my daughter wakes up. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with my eyebrows. And what I always use is the Morphe brow pencils. These are only $5 and they are bomb. Like once you buy these, you do not need any other brow pencil. Like I used to buy the NYX brow pencils, but you don't need them. You know what? I don't even know why I'm trying to use that. It's way too... Y'all know I can't see, so I gotta bring my mirror just a little bit closer. All right, so this is as good as my brows are going to get, okay? This is as good as I can get it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is prep my face. This is my favorite part because y'all already know my tried and true products. I always use the same primers. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. This is a soft silk, I think that's what it's called. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this on my face. This is great for dry skin, which I have. When I use this as my primer, like my face just, for one, it feels amazing. Just look at the hydration. And on top of it, I go in with the regular Fenty Beauty primer. This isn't the matte primer, it's just the regular instant retouch primer, the soft matte. It's not that matte one. So this is the very first one she came out with when she first launched Fenty. So I'm gonna go in with that. Ooh, I used way too much. That was an accident. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use that, and this just helps fill in my pores a little bit because with this clean makeup look, we want it to look like we don't have on makeup. I mean, it's gonna look like we got on makeup, obviously, but it's gonna be like that clean, well put together look, and that's what we're going for. And in order for it to be looking that good, we need to try and get our face prepped as good as possible. And don't mind my wig. I always say that in my videos. Just don't mind my wig, because I literally just threw this mug on because, like I said, my daughter is sleeping. She's only 4 months old, and I know I ain't got a lot of time, so the wig is just sitting on my head. Like, it's just, I mean, it's on, but it's not looking the hottest, and that's just gonna have to be okay. Anyway, so next we're gonna go in with this foundation. You know what? No, I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is what I've been doing lately. I don't know why I started doing it this way, but I've been going in with concealer first and then foundation. So for concealer, like I said, I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. Just look how well put together it looks already. We ain't even did no foundation yet. Alright, so foundation, I'm going to use my new favorite foundation. I discovered this foundation last year when they sent me their foundation, even though it was the wrong color. I ended up just going to buy the right shade because the one they sent me was too dark, which I was so mad because this wasn't cheap. So I'm going to go in with the Dior Face and Body Foundation. This foundation is your go-to if you're looking for like a really natural look and a just smooth, flawless, like this foundation is will be your best friend. So just look how, you see how my face looks? Like I got on makeup, but like it don't look like I got on makeup. At least it don't to me. Like this is the kind of makeup you would wear for like first date makeup. Like you don't want nothing that's like all these different colorful eyeshadows and big bold lashes. I mean, you could if that's just who you are in general, but this is like a good first date makeup. Next concealer I'm going to go in with is the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 15, which is lighter than my skin. As you can see, I just do this just under my eyes, just a little bit, just to brighten it just a tad bit, because you don't want to use too much. So, because again, we're trying to keep this as natural looking as possible and clean. So I'm just going to put a few dabs under my eye, and this is just going to brighten under my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm just going to concentrate on my eye. See how we just brightened it just a little bit? That's what we want. So for setting powder, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powder in this translucent honey. I really like this powder. It really makes your face flawless, and this is the flawless clean makeup look that we are going for. So I'm going to go ahead and use this under my eyes. You see how just clean and put together it looks? I love it. And I kind of went up on my nose to kind of create like a fake contour, if you can't tell. So I like doing that. And like I said, for this makeup look, we're not going to do any harsh contouring. We're just going to do some bronzing. So I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. Even though I kind of go a little overboard with this because it doesn't show up unless I go a little bit overboard. Let me wipe this away first. You know what? I lied. Scratch that. I'm going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder first. This is in the shade Deep. I'm going to go in with this first just to get everything set. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. What do you guys think about this look? Let me know what you guys think down below. It's so cute. It's so well put together. Just look at it. Like, it looks like my face, but better. So anyway, everything that I use in this video will be linked down below. So make sure you open the description bar and click the links. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is Jerikasyncere. But that is it for this makeup look. So I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.